Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add meta title and meta description in product collection page in Shopify. Right now, as you can see, we are into admin dashboard and we have clicked on products, then collection. Okay, so here are the collection product categories. Basically, we need to click on any of the category, right? And this is the title description. This is not the meta title and meta description. You need to scroll down and here you will see a section of search engine listing. You need to click on pair and then simply here you can type whatever the meta title you want to showcase in Google search engine result page, and here you can simply type the meta description, right? So make sure to include your focus keyword in the meta title and meta description, and then you can simply click on save. So here we have not edited anything, so we will simply add a full stop and then we can simply click on save and your meta title and meta description gets updated. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.